10.2 question number 4 coordinate geometry. Question number 4, find the ratio we have 2 points, point A -3 and 10 and B 6 and -8. So line segment by joining these 2 points A and B, we have A is -310 and B is 6 -8, and another point which is divide the line segment AB is -16. Take C -1 and 6, and we have to find the ratio. It means AC divided by CB. Now, in previous example of 7.2, we discussed section formula xy equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So we can easily find the point which divides the line segment. But here to find the ratio, so we use another formula. Take kgm1. So replace m by k, kx2 n1, so 1x1 divided by k plus 1 and ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. It also use mx2 plus nx1 से भी कर सकते हैं, but if you have to find the only ratio, then you can also apply this formula kx2 plus x1 upon ky1, ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. Let us start this example by using this formula. Here a and b are given, so we have x1 x2 and y1 y2, x1 y1 x2 and y2, and c is nothing but -1 and 6. It means x and y. Now putting this value, xy is -1 and 6, k unknown, x2 is 6 -3 divided by k plus 1. On the other hand, k y2 is -8, y1 is 10 divided by k plus 1. So here -16 equal to 6k -3 divided by k plus 1 and -8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1. Comparing both sides, we get -1 equal to 6k -3 upon k plus 1, and compare y coordinates. So first we compare x coordinate. 6k -3 divided by k plus 1 equal to -1, and -8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1 equal to 6. Side change, k plus 1 minus k minus 1. So 6k plus k is 7k, 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get 2 by 7. If you simplify this, you can also get k is equal to 2 by 7. Now 2 by 7 means what? It is the ratio which you need in this example. So pause the video and note it down. Number 5, same example, but here divide points not given, it is x-axis. So first I write the question. We have 2 points, A 1 and -5, and second B is -4 and 5. Your question is, first join these 2 points, you get line segment. Here dividing point C is on x-axis. So अगर x एक्सिस पे पॉइंट है, सो उसका y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होगा. x कुछ भी होगा लेकिन y 0 होगा. सो मैं अगर सपोज कर लूँ कि C जो है वो x0 है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, A 1 minus 5, C is x0 and B minus 4 5. Now applying the same formula k/1, x0 सेक्शन फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो, x0 इक्वल टू k x2 is nothing but -4 plus x1 divided by k plus 1, k y2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Now expand -4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1, and here 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Comparing on both side, x equal to -4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 and 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1 equal to 0. Now see carefully, here we so first I find k. 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. Side change, 5k is equal to 5, k equal to 1. Putting k is equal to 1 on this equation, we get x equal to -4 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So x equal to -3 by 2. So your point is -3 by 2 and 0, and ratio is 1:1. So pause the video and note it down. Question number 6. We have 4 points 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5, and all are vertices of parallelogram. You have to find x and y. So first recall the properties of parallelogram. It is diagonal bisect each other. Means what? Bisect means, let's take 2 points AB, line segment AB. Here point C which bisects AB means what? 2 equal parts, and it's also called as midpoint. So अगर midpoint का फॉर्मूला नहीं मालूम तो एक बार देख लो फिर से. अगर यहाँ पे 1 2 है और यहाँ पे 3 4 है, so coordinates of C is add x1 plus x2, 1 plus 3 by 2 and 2 plus 4 by 2. You can also write as a formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. It is midpoint formula. Let A, B, C and D are vertices of parallelogram ABCD. Now here A, B, C and D, we have 2 diagonals AC and BD which intersect at point O. It means midpoint of DB is O and midpoint of AC is O. So we compare both sides. First find midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC, A and C, 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2. Same as midpoint of BD, 4 plus 3 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. Now compare, 1 plus x by 2 is 7 by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2 equal to y plus 5 by 2. You get x and y. आगे आपको करना है, यहाँ से बहुत सिंपल है. सो यहाँ ये वाले एग्जांपल में आपको सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टीज़ याद रखनी है कि इसका midpoint of BD and midpoint of AC both are equal properties of parallelogram. So first find AC, midpoint of AC, it means O, coordinates of O. How? A and C add x1 plus x2 means 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2, same as BD 4 plus 3 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. Now by using property of parallelogram, midpoint are equal, so 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2 means 7 by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. By solving those two equations we get x and y. So number 6 of 7.2.